Alright, as requested, I'm going to do a walk around with a cold start on the car. Really, the paint in this car is pretty good condition, nice and shiny. Wheels are in good condition, no curbing. There is some slight paint fading right here. I tried to see if I can get that to buff out, but yeah, typical with this year car. A few little scratches in it, you can see right there. Car is currently registered in California until May of next year, 2022. There's some more paint fading down by the gas filler. I don't know if it's just because the previous owner didn't take care when he was fueling the car or not. Front windows have a slight tint to them. Step back. And overall, body's in phenomenal condition. There is not one bit of rust on this thing at all, which is typical for California. Sunroof in good condition. There's some slight interior issues in here. Small tear, seam separated. Front seat. Back seat's in good condition. Headliner, good condition. Dash has absolutely no cracks on it whatsoever, which I've been told cracking was an issue with these. If somebody can tell me what this is for, I don't know what that's for, garage door opener holder or something, I'm not sure. But driver's seat, you can see it's pretty worn. It's got some tape and stuff like that. Same thing, driver panel had some issues with it. I replaced a lot of the clips, trying to take care of that issue. Doors closed nice. I only have one key for it. I'm still waiting for the previous owner to see if he has a second key. Again, this is the guy put some duct tape on it. Not a great fix, but all right. So the car hasn't been started for 2 days, so cold start. Check engine lights. It's got 112, almost 113,000 miles. AC works good. I haven't used it since I've had it because I don't drive it very much. Give me a second. So it does a beeping. I hit reset, it goes away. I don't know what the deal is with that. I guess this is the trip minder. I don't know if it works or not. The distance to empty is always on 0 miles. I got no lights. I guess there's some other lights that would come on up here, but no suspension lights or anything like that come on. The radio doesn't work. I don't problem with these. But starts right up cold. I mean, it's not really cold, but it comes down to idle, and I'll take you over. Take a look in the trunk. So super clean. The antenna doesn't work as well. I disconnected it because it was making noise, and I didn't. This trunk closes perfectly as it should electronically. If there's anything else, just let me know.